Okay, let's see which box this is. Kind of beat up. There's the sticker labels. Let's open it up, and I don't got my holder today, so. Well, it's definitely a chainsaw again. It looks like the same chainsaw, so it doesn't look like they replaced it. Well, maybe they did. There's the. Put this way. It's the arm. There's the bar. See. It's in a tool bag. Humsienk. Everything looks like it's in that. It didn't work. Vevor book again. So. Let's see. Well, it does look like they sent me a new one. Seems kind of surprising. Looks like they put it in the same box. Yeah. We will bring you back later. I will get it assembled and test it out this time before I publish the whole video. And I'll let you know how the replacement works if it lasts longer than a day. But it looks like they did send a replacement saw. Which is great. Let's see if it works. I hope this one works, and the other one was just a dud. But like I said, I will get it assembled. You've already seen the assembly video, so I don't need to do that. And I will try to run it for a day or two to see if it keeps working or if it dies like the last one or starts leaking oil. The last one started pouring oil out of this housing right in here. Oh, I got this on the camera. The housing right front here, and the plug, both the gas and the oil plug were leaking. So I'm hoping this one's better. We'll try it out for a few days, and then I will publish that with the results of what I think. Make sure it lasts 2 or 3 days before I publish it this time now. Anyway, stay tuned. It'll be a few minutes for you and a few days for me, a few weeks, something like that. And then y'all will see it all at once, I hope. Okay, a little update here. After a few emails with Vevor here, we are going to send this chainsaw back. At first they offered me a $36 credit and try to take and get it fixed, but the reason I bought this is my other saw was in the shop, and just for a tune-up was $92. This was $109 for the new saw, so I didn't think that was very practical. I said I'd accept it, but wasn't happy about it. They came back and said that they would send me a prepaid label, and they would either send me a new saw, or actually I forgot to take those off, once they have it back, or they would send me a refund, a full refund. And we're going to try another saw because I still need a bigger 20-inch saw again. My old home light is shit, that thing's 50 years old. I just can't get parts to get it tuned up again, so I like the saw, but I decided to buy another saw so I'd have a saw. And thought the Vevor would be a good saw. It lasted one day and died. I'm hoping that the new saw, I'm putting the screws and the tools and the bracket, and try to clean off some of the oil that was leaking out of the chamber on it. All back in the bag where they're supposed to be. And this is all going back to Vevor, and I will show you the new saw when it comes in and let you know if it lasts more than one day. Hopefully it lasts more than one day, let's put it that way. How did this fit in there? This fit like that, if I recall. And then how did this fit? This fits over top, like so. Wait a minute, what am I missing? I'm missing this. This has to fit in there. That has to fit in there. That stuff goes on top. This goes... Does this go down in there? I think this goes on top. This goes on top. Chain I don't have a bag for anymore, so put that in there. And then you have the bar in the top. Just how they had it packed. Well, kind of how they had it packed. And then the corner pieces. And I guess it's good. I wasn't too lazy. I was too lazy and didn't throw this box away yet. Okay. Now I got to tape the label on there, and this is going back. And I will update you when I get the new saw, and we will run it for a few days and make sure that it stays running. But this is the update. Okay, your Vevor chainsaw and your chainsaw bracket updates. The Vevor chainsaw has gone through a little over a gallon of pre-mixed fuel. It's got 3 days on it, and I haven't had the issues like I did with the original chainsaw. So, I mean, it's possible something's wrong with the other chainsaw. It was just a bad saw or something. So far, this chainsaw has held up. Like I said, it's gone over one of the gallon cans and part of one of the little round quart cans of pre-mixed. Yeah, that's your Vevor chainsaw update. You can find links to the bracket on my description below. This is a adjustable chainsaw bracket. You can move this plate wherever you want it. This opens up and closes it. It does wobble around a little bit when you ride, and it makes you a little nervous at first, but if you're not hauling buggy down through there, it does okay. You get used to it after a few minutes, and it makes it a whole lot easier to carry the chainsaw than it just sliding around on the racks or trying to strap it down. So yeah, those are the reviews. Click like and subscribe. Update on the Vevor chainsaw. It is run 2 days now, so far so good. It's doing much better than the first one. This is the replacement that they sent us. It's cutting good. It starts good again. I'm not having the issues like I had with the previous chainsaw. Maybe that was a bad saw. But so far so good on the replacement saw. Like I said, it's already run 2 days. So it'll be a third day for clearing limbs on the road, and we're fixing to head up there now, and if I have any issues I'll let you know. Otherwise, this is the update. So far so good on the Vevor replacement chainsaw.